gay. You paint your toenails, man. Don't say my name no more, man. Niggas gonna get to slapping the shit out y'all niggas. I ain't gonna even lie. You paint your toenails and your fingernails, and you lame as hell. The fuck you keep saying my name for? Then when you be saying my name, you be sounding lame as fuck. Soulja Boy, I just don't understand him. I'm like, so. Well, what the fuck? Soulja Boy. Everybody know I was the big Soulja Boy fan. Man, nigga gonna get to smacking the fuck out y'all niggas, man. Shut the fuck up. Lame ass little nigga, man. God damn. Why you nigga be lame as hell? Paint your toenails and all. Still talking about. Just cause you got money don't mean you can say anything you wanna say, nigga. Shut the fuck up, little nigga. I don't know why he was talking about Drake. We was paying. Boy! That shit made me mad just listening to you talk, nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga.